Hello students, welcome back. In the previous video we had seen about input devices and output devices. We had seen what are the different types of input devices we do have. Also we had seen what are the different types of output devices along with the definition of both input device as well as output device. Okay students, so students, in this video I will be describing the next chapter of class 2, that is keys of a keyboard. Okay, so let us see like what are the different types of keys in a keyboard. Fine. So we will see in details about keyboard. So basically what is keyboard? So students, keyboard is an input device. What is keyboard? Keyboard is an input device that is used to provide the input instructions. Okay, input instructions. Fine. So students, with the help of keyboard we used to provide the input instructions. Like with the help of a pencil we used to write in our copy. Okay, so students, in the similar way, if you have to write something in your system, then you will have to use keyboard. Using keyboard you can type whatever the things you want to type in your system and you can proceed further. Okay, so if we talk about this keyboard, there are 104 keys in standard keyboard. Okay, so students, if we talk about the keyboard, so if we will see in the market or even though in our computer lab, okay, so basically there are 104. Okay, if that particular keyboard is a standard keyboard, in that case it will have 104 keys. Okay, 104 keys will be there in standard keyboard. Now let us see what are those keys, how we can categorize those keys. Okay, so all these 104 keys are categorized into four category. Okay, into four categories. Okay, what are those? First one is alphabet keys. Okay, second one is numeric keys. Okay, second one is numeric keys, and third one is functional keys, and the fourth one, that is additional keys. Okay, additional keys. Fine. So there are basically these four type of keys we do have in our computer system. Okay, so now let us see all these one by one. So first of all, the first keys which are present are alphabet keys. So total there are 26 alphabet keys in keyboard. Okay, how many alphabet keys are there? Total 26, that is A to Z. Okay, so with the help of these alphabet keys you can type all the alphabets. Okay, now next is numeric key. So student, in a keyboard there will be how many numeric key? Total 10. There will be total 10 numeric key, that is from 0 to 9. So these keys you will find above this alphabet key in your system. Also you will find this numeric key in two sides. One is in the top of the keyboard, fine, and second one is the right side. Right side of the keyboard you will find two, that is numeric keys. Now next keys are the functional keys. So these keys you will find like this. In the keys you will find like F1, F2, F3 like this, and it will be up to F12. So basically there will be 12 functional keys which will be present in our keyboard. Fine. Now apart from all this, we do have some additional keys in our keyboard which performs different types of tasks. What are those? Like we do have other keys like enter key. What are the other types of key we do have? Enter key. So basically what does it do? So whenever you want to go from one line to another line, so in that case you will have to use the enter key. By pressing it you can go to the next line. Now suppose another key we do have, that is shift key. So using this shift key, what you can do? Suppose if you are typing something and that are being typed in a small case letter, if you are typing alphabet and that is typed in a small case letter and you want to type that one in a capital letter, you can use the shift key. Just press and type. In that way you can type the letters in a capital. Also we do have some special characters over these numbers keys. So if you want to type those special characters, what you will have to do? You will have to press this shift key and then press the respective number key on which some special symbols will be there and that you want to type. So this is the function of shift key. Apart from that, we will have also arrow key. What are the keys other we will have? Arrow keys. So in our keyboard there will be 4 arrow keys. How many arrow keys will be there? 4 arrow keys. That is, one will be for up, one will be for down, one will be for right, and one will be for left side. So if in a document you want to move left or right or up and down, you can use these arrows keys in order to move in the document. Now next key that we do have in our computer, that is a space bar key. A space bar key. So this is the longest key which is present in our keyboard. So a space bar is the longest key. So what is the use of this space bar key? This space bar key is used to give the space between two words. So students, suppose here you can see here in between is and n there is a blank space. So this space can be given by using the space bar key. Students, so these all are the different sorts of keys we do have present in our keyboard. Apart from all these, students, we do have lots of other keys which are present in the keyboard, but those we will see in our next class. In your next class all those will be described. So in your class you need to know only this concept of the keyboard. So students, I hope you might have got the clear idea about the different keys which are present in a keyboard. Okay, so this is all about this video, students. If you have any doubt or any question, you can mention the same in the comment box. I will reply that. So stay tuned with us. In the next video, we will meet again with a lot of more concept. So this is all about. Thank you.